Today we will start our new chapter. Okay, let's add and subtract. What is the name of our chapter? Yes, listen. Let's add and subtract. Okay, add ചെയ്യാം subtract ചെയ്യാം. Okay. Okay. Then listen. All of you take your textbook, page number 101. Okay, open your textbook. Okay, all of you take. Yes, listen. Appu and Ammu are going to the carnival. Appu and Ammu are going to the carnival. They see Sina's footprints along the bank of the river. What? They see the Sina's footsteps along the bank of the river. Le river the തീരത്ത് സീനയുടെ footsteps ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. നോക്കൂ. Fill in. The numbers on Sina's right footprints. Numbers on the Sina's right footprints. ഫുട്പ്രിന്റുകൾ ഏതൊക്കെയാ നോക്കാം നമുക്ക്. സീനയുടെ ഏതാണ് റൈറ്റ് ഫുട്ട് ഉണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. റൈറ്റ് ഫുട്ടിന്റെ നമ്പേഴ്സ് നോക്കിക്കോളൂ. 1 3 5 and the numbers on Sina's left footprints. ലെഫ്റ്റ് ഫുട്ടിന്റെയോ റൈറ്റ് ഫുട്ടിന്റെയാണ്. റൈറ്റ് ഫുട്ടിന്റെ 1 3 5 ലെഫ്റ്റ് ഫുട്ടിന്റെ 2 4 6. Okay, 2 4 6. Then complete that. Next 2. Okay, you can you feel? Yes, 1 3 5. That is the right foot in the prints on 1 3 5. Next one. Yes, after 5 7. Then next 9. Okay, then left foot in the 2 4 6. Next one 8. Very good. Next 10. Okay, there are these numbers are odd numbers. These are even numbers. Okay, we studied. Okay, children, 1 3 5 7 9. These are odd numbers. Then these numbers are even. Okay, clear? Okay, then take next page. Village carnival. Numbers of steps are written inside the circles. Fill in the blanks. Listen. The numbers of the steps are written inside the circles. Fill in the blanks. So, the steps in the numbers write in the circle. Circle എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. Then fill in the blanks. ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് fill ചെയ്യാനുള്ളത് നോക്കാം നമുക്ക്. All of you listen. That. Then in first circle, can you count? Yes. How many steps? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many steps? Yes, 10 steps. In first 10 steps. Then in second, how many steps they are written? How many? 20. Here 10, here 20. Listen here, 20. In second 20. Then how many steps here? How many steps? 20. Then here 30. Okay, very good. 20 plus 10 30. In third steps 30. How many steps in third row? Yes, 30. Then fourth one 40. Last one 50. Okay, in 4 40. Then fifth steps total എത്ര ഉണ്ട്? Fifth row yes 50. Okay, the numbers like 10 20 30 40 and 50. Okay, the number of steps are written inside the circles. Fill in the blanks. Okay, all of you fill. 10 here 20 30 40 and 50. Okay, here 40 and last one 50. Okay, 50 steps. Total how many steps? 50 steps on. Clear? Okay. The previous class we already studied 10 20. In the previous class we already studied 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 10 100. Okay, ടെൻസിന്റെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്സ് നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിച്ചതാണ് അല്ലേ? ടെൻസുകൾ ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതുന്നത് നമ്മൾ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ടെൻസിന്റെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്സ് 1 10 make 10, 2 10s make, all of you say 2 10s make 20, then 3 10s make 30, 4 10s make 40, 5 10s makes 5 10s makes 50, 6 10s means 60, then 7 10s makes 70, 8 10 makes 80, 9 10 makes 90, 10 10 makes 10 groups of 10 numbers that make 100. We studied like previous class. In the previous class we studied that. Children? The next, Chundan Mouse was on the 17th step. Chundan Mouse was on the 17th step. Hearing a sound, he ran up, running like this. Listen. Chundan Mouse on the 17th step. Chundan Mouse. Hearing a sound, he ran up, running like this. Running like this. Listen, the numbers are running like this. Chundan Mouse was running like this. Numbers are 17, 19. Numbers like 17, 19, 21, 23, like that. Chundan Mouse was running like that. 17, 19, 21, 23. Then next step. Can you say which step? Yes. Step number 25. Then next step 27. Like that. Chundan Mouse was running like this. 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. Clear? Then next number, can you say next step? Yes, 29th step. Next step, 29th step. Clear? Then Chindan Frog was on the 25th step. Chindan Frog was on the 25th step. When he saw Chundan Mouse was running, he hopped up the step. He hopped up the step. Hopping like this. 25, 30, 35 like that. Frog, Chindan Frog jump like this, hopping like this. 25, 30, 35 like that. The next step 25, 30, 35. 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Then next step. Number of steps is same. 35 plus 5, 40. The next step 45. Next step 50 like that. Listen here. Chundan Mouse was running like this. 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Then Chindan Frog hopping like this. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Clear? Then write the correct numbers and put in the box. Then third one. Write down the correct numbers. 78, 80. The next numbers, can you say? Yes, 82. The next 84, 86. Children? The difference between 2 ന്റെ ഡിഫറൻസ് ആണ് അല്ലേ? 78 plus 2 80 ആണ്. 80 plus 2 82. 82 plus 2 84. 84 plus 2 86. The next number 4 40 50 and etc. Can you write 40 50? Next number 60. Very good. 60. Then next number 70. Next 80 like that. The numbers are written like that. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 like that. Children? Then can you write these questions? Can you fill in the blanks? Dash, 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 25, 30, 35, etc. Can you write here? Which number? Yes, 20. Very good. Then 20, 25, 30, 35. Here? What? Yes, 15. Here? 10. Then read. All of you read. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Difference എത്രയാ? 5 difference ആണ് അല്ലേ? Numbers തമ്മിൽ 5 difference ആണ്. The next step. 15, 18, 21. What is the difference? 16, 17, 18. എത്രയുടെ difference ആ? 3 അല്ലേ? The next number 18 plus 3, 21. 21, then 22, 23, 24. 24, we can write 24. Then 25, 26, next number 27. 3 ആണ്. 3 difference ലാണ് അല്ലേ? ഇനി next number 28, 29, 30. Next number 30. Listen. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay? Then next 80, 84, 88. What is the difference? 80 and 84. Difference between 81, 82, 83 and 84. Difference 4 in there. Okay. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. The next number 89, 90, 91, 92. The next 93, 94, 95, 96. Then next 97, 98, 99, then 4 and next number 100. Okay. The different. Read these numbers. 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, 100. Then 12, 32, 32. 12, 22, 32. Next number. Very good. 10 in the difference ആണ്. 42. Then 52, 62. Okay. This is very easy. Easy for you. Okay. Then next number 10, 8, 6. Next. Yes, these are even numbers. 10 counting backward ആണ്. Backward counting ആണ് അല്ലേ? 10, 8, 6. Next number 4. Then here 2. Then read like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is forward counting. Backward counting. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Clear children? ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള പാറ്റേൺസ് നമുക്ക് എക്സാമിന് ഉണ്ടാവും കേട്ടോ. അപ്പൊ എന്തായാലും ഇതൊക്കെ ചെയ്ത് പഠിക്കുക. ഫസ്റ്റ് യു ടേക്ക് യുവർ മാത്സ് നോട്ട്ബുക്ക് ആൻഡ് റൈറ്റ് ചാപ്റ്റേഴ്സ് നെയിം. ഫസ്റ്റ് യു റൈറ്റ് ടുഡേസ് ഡേറ്റ് 18/12 Friday. Then write chapter's name and write this. Okay children? Then I given some homework for you. Listen, write down. These are the homework. Fill in the blanks. First question. Okay? Question number 1. 20, 30. Then fill. Then complete this pattern. Then next number 15, 20, 25. Okay. Then next number. Question number 3. 30, 29, 28. Then question number 4. 40, 42, 44. Then question number 5. 50, 70. Sorry. 30, 50. Then dash dash. Okay. This is your homework. 20, 30. Then complete this pattern. Next number 15, 20, 25. Then complete Then third question 30, 29, 28. Then 40, 42, 44. Then fifth question 30, 50 and you complete. Okay children? I hope all of you understood today's class. Okay children, we will see again Monday. Thank you.